These women that we've been able to support are going through so much, but over and over as these women are talking to us about how they felt, every single one of them has just said, I feel like myself again. And that is like such a powerful statement, and we are so happy to be able to support them in that journey.
When I found out I had to do chemo, I immediately looked at my mom and said, I'm gonna lose my hair.
And now this is what it looks like, and it's so pretty.
It made me feel like I was myself again. It changed my life, and it just made me so happy.
Just that feeling, having hair again, just made me feel so special, like myself again.
It feels different, but it makes you feel at home.
There's nothing vain about wanting to present yourself physically to this world, however feels most authentically you.
Got a $150 bidder going once. Do we have a total?
We're roughly 65 a day.